Sony has recently made waves in the audio industry with the announcement of their latest innovation, a Bluetooth speaker designed to be the ideal companion for your next beach trip. Introducing the Sony SRS-XB100, a lightweight wireless speaker that boasts not only impressive sound quality, but also a water-resistant build. One of the standout features of the Sony SRS-XB100 is its compact and lightweight design, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry along wherever you go. Whether you're lounging on the sandy shores, enjoying a picnic by the water, or simply soaking up the sun, this speaker is designed to enhance your outdoor experience with high-quality audio. In contrast to the larger SRS-XB900 speakers launched a few months ago, Sony's new SRS-XB100 takes a different approach by offering a compact and portable solution. Despite its small size, this wireless speaker is designed to deliver powerful sound thanks to the incorporation of a passive radiator. Weighing in at just under 300 grams and measuring a mere 2.9 inches in width and 3.9 inches in height, the SRS-XB100 is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Its compact form factor allows users to pack it conveniently into their beach bags, backpacks, or travel luggage without adding unnecessary bulk or weight. To further enhance its portability, Sony has equipped the SRS-XB100 with a multi-way strap. This clever addition allows users to hang the speaker from various objects, such as backpacks, bike handles, or even while hiking. The versatility of the strap ensures that you can enjoy your music while on the move without worrying about holding or carrying the speaker separately. Despite its small size, the SRS-XB100 doesn't compromise on sound quality. Sony's engineering expertise shines through as they have managed to deliver loud and impressive audio performance. The inclusion of a passive radiator helps to enhance the bass response and overall sound output, ensuring that your favorite tracks are delivered with depth and clarity. The SRS-XB100 also features Bluetooth connectivity, enabling seamless wireless pairing with compatible devices. This wireless functionality eliminates the hassle of cables and allows you to control your music effortlessly from your smartphone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device. Indeed, the Sony SRS-XB100 is specifically designed for outdoor use, providing an immersive audio experience wherever you go. One of the notable features that enhance its outdoor performance is the inclusion of a sound diffusion processor. This processor utilizes digital signal processing or DSP technology to create a more expansive sound field, ensuring that your music is well distributed and reaches a wider area. Whether you're enjoying your music indoors or outdoors, the SRS-XB100 delivers stereo playback, allowing you to experience a rich and dynamic audio environment. The speaker is designed to reproduce sound in a way that immerses you in your favorite tracks, making your outdoor escapades more enjoyable. In addition to its impressive sound quality, the SRS-XB100 also features a built-in microphone, enabling hands-free calling. This convenient functionality allows you to answer calls without having to reach for your phone, making it ideal for beach trips, picnics, or any other outdoor activity where you might need to stay connected. Furthermore, the speaker incorporates an echo cancelling feature, ensuring improved call clarity by reducing background noise and echo effects. The Sony SRS-XB100 wireless speakers are an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, including trips to the beach, thanks to their impressive IP67 water and dust resistance rating. This rating signifies that the speakers can withstand submersion in water up to a depth of 1 meter for approximately 30 minutes. With this level of protection, you can enjoy your music worry-free even in beach environments, where water and sand are common elements. In terms of battery life, Sony promises approximately 16 hours of playback on a single full charge. This extensive battery performance ensures that your music will last throughout your beach day or any other outdoor activity without interruption. You can immerse yourself in your favorite tunes for an extended period, enhancing your overall experience. The Sony SRS-XB100 speakers are available in a variety of color options, including blue, orange, light gray, and black. This range of choices allows you to select a color that suits your personal style or blends well with your outdoor gear. The sleek and modern design of these speakers adds a touch of aesthetics to your beach outings. With a price tag of $59, the Sony SRS-XB100 offers an attractive combination of affordability and functionality. It provides excellent value for money, considering its water resistance, long battery life, and impressive audio performance. Whether you're lounging by the seaside or exploring other outdoor destinations, these speakers offer a budget-friendly option to enhance your music enjoyment. Sony's commitment to innovation and quality is evident in the SRS-XB100 Bluetooth speaker. Its lightweight and portable design, coupled with its water-resistant build and impressive sound performance, make it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts, beachgoers, and travelers alike. Whether you're relaxing under the sun or hosting a beach party, this speaker promises to deliver a memorable audio experience every time. So grab your sunglasses, towel, and the Sony SRS-XB100 and get ready to take your beach trips to a whole new level of entertainment. What do you think about new speakers? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.